Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing a review of Final Wave 3 Day, a Beyblade X Gale Wyvern 360 Taper versus Dran 380 Ball. Finally got this guy. The final one for this wave. Now I have four more videos to do. Or 2 more tomorrow, or when I get a chance. For me, it's tomorrow. But yeah, sorry if I sound like shit. I just got off of work and yeah, just got home. There we go. Get rid of it. Come on. Yeah, Tipper. Ah, no! Shit. Yeah. But yeah. Here's Dran's sword. Or Sword Dran. Dran's sword. There's the QR code. And there's Gale. Let's go with Gale first. Here's the 360 and taper. Now let's go on to the next guy. God, it's hot right now. That's why I hear a fan. I wouldn't do this without a fan, because that's how bad it was. Plus, I just got home, so. And so much that I got home, I literally had. That's how. Yeah, I haven't even eaten yet. So yeah, boom, there's. And a black ball. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.